Hello everyone, this video I will show you how to draw the cute hippo. So the first to draw this one here, and then his head, and then ear, and then this one, his mouth. Okay. This eyes. The body, the cute body like this.